Why are you demonstrating?
Because we have a rapist teacher here who the administration, the BOM, DSC, MOE is protecting. Now Ayala must go. We are cleaning this school top down. That's why we're
How
here.
long have he been doing that?
He's been here 25 years. 20 years of abusing students. He must go.
Do you have maybe survivors? Do you have
Yes, we have victims, we have people who come forth. You can read the story on African Census. There are two stories, part 1 and 2 of his survivors. Yes, but there are more who are coming up as we go through the days.
What action do you want taken?
As we've said, airitu to be terminated, not near children. We want the board, we want MOE, we want TSC to tell us exactly what are they doing. We also want structures to be put up in a way that no child shall be abused. And the alumni should spearhead that process.
Your name, please?
When they're only.
Thank you.